This is Unit 7C, Part 2, and we're going to deal with question 5, and it says, for students at one college, the expected value for the number of siblings is 1. Which of the following statements is a reasonable conclusion? Well, it's C, and that's by the law of large numbers again, because they've questioned 100 students as opposed to a smaller number, so it's going to, the number of siblings is going to come closer to 1. So for 6, we're given that the following table gives the distribution of heights for female students at one college, and here is the distribution of heights, and here are the percentages. So if we move the decimal ahead 2 places, we'd have probabilities, 0.078 for example, for the next one a probability of 0.194, and so on. Find the expected value of height for women at this college. Use the midpoint of each category, for example. Use 58 for the category 57 through 59, and use 74 for the 72 and over category. So to compute that expected value, we have 0.078 times 58 plus 0.194 times 61, and so on, and I get an expected value of 64.7 inches, and that's Unit C. Now for 7, suppose a charitable organization decides to raise money by raffling a trip worth $500. If 3,000 tickets are sold at $1 each, find the expected net winnings for a person who buys 1 ticket. Well, the value is $500 if you win, but the probability is 1 over 3,000 that you'll do that, minus, now you'll give up $1, and the probability of not winning is 2,999 over 3,000, so that reduces to a sixth of $1 minus 2,999 over 3,000, and that's in dollars. And so your expected winnings when you compute that is a negative $0.83. So you give up 83 cents. So finally, for 8, you are given 5-to-1 odds against tossing 2 tails and 2 tosses of a fair coin. This means that you win $5 if you succeed, and you lose $1 if you fail. Find the expected value to you of the game, round to the nearest cent. Well, if we've got 2 coins, we can get a heads and a tails, and a heads and a tails, and we have 4 outcomes: a double heads, a heads tails, a tails heads, or a double tails. So we've got 4 outcomes, and one of them involves a double tails, so the probability of a double tails is 1/4. And we win $5 times the probability of 1/4 minus $1 times the probability of 3/4. So that's $1.25. 5/4 is $1.25 minus 75 cents, and $1.25 minus 75 cents is 50 cents, $0.50, and that selection is B, and we are done.